Hello and welcome to Tales from the Riverbank. In this episode I'm going to be showing you a small glimpse into the secret world of kingfishers. So after many days waiting patiently and observing the kingfishers fly up and down the river, I was able to narrow down a small section where I'd found a perch, and this gave me a perfect opportunity to have a wildlife encounter. Here is a few facts about kingfishers. An adult kingfisher's length is between 6 to 7 inches, with a wingspan between 9 and 10 inches. These tiny little birds weigh in at a whopping 30 to 45 grams. The main diet of the kingfisher, as the name suggests, is they eat fish. They mainly eat sticklebacks to minnows and a variety of aquatic insects. The average lifespan of a kingfisher is between 5 and 10 years. So thank you for watching. If you've got any questions or comments, please do get in contact. And if you'd like to see more of my wildlife adventures, don't forget to check out my website or follow me on social media. Until next time, take care and we'll speak soon.